प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप। तो बच्चों, आज हम वेक्टर अलजेब्रा का सब टॉपिक करने जा रहे हैं, क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स। क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर इज आल्सो called the vector product of a two vector because it is a vector quantity. So if a vector and b vectors are two vectors, then their cross product is denoted by a vector cross b vector, and it is equal to a vector magnitude into b vector magnitude into sine of the angle between them into n cap, where n cap is the unit vector perpendicular to both a vector and a b vector, or perpendicular to the plane containing a vector and a b vector. Like this is a vector and this is b vector in a certain plane, and theta is the angle between them. Then this n cap, it is the vector which is perpendicular to both a vector and a b vector, or it is perpendicular to the plane containing a vector and a b vector. And it is also the direction of a vector cross b vector. It can be understood by the right hand thumb rule. This is right hand, let this is a vector, this finger represents b vector, and angle between them is theta. Then this thumb represents the direction of a vector cross b vector, and n cap is in this direction, and which is unit vector in the direction of both a vector and b vector, and this is the formula for cross product of the two vector. Question number 1, find a vector cross b vector magnitude if a vector is equal to I cap minus 7 into j cap plus 7 into k cap, and b vector is equal to 3 into I cap minus 2 into j cap plus 2 into k cap, where I cap, j cap and k cap are the unit vector in the direction of x axis, y axis and z axis. तो बच्चों ये दे रखा है, तो a क्रॉस b होल मैग्नीट्यूड निकालने के लिए हमें सबसे पहले a वेक्टर क्रॉस b वेक्टर निकालना होगा। तो सॉल्यूशन, a vector cross b vector is equal to I cap minus 7 into j cap plus 7 into k cap cross 3 into I cap minus 2 into j cap plus 2 into k cap। तो बच्चों, ये क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट निकालने का सॉफ्टेस्ट मेथड है इस डिटर्मिनेंट को एक्सपेंड करना। और डिटर्मिनेंट कैसे बनाना है, फर्स्ट रो में लिखना है आई कैप, जे कैप एंड के कैप, एंड सेकंड रो में ये आई, जे और के के फर्स्ट के कंपोनेंट दैट इज 1 minus 7 and 7, और थर्ड रो में आई, जे और के कंपोनेंट 3 minus 2 and 2 एंड होल डिटर्मिनेंट। इस तरीके से हम a वेक्टर क्रॉस b वेक्टर निकाल सकेंगे जो कि एक वेक्टर क्वांटिटी होगी। तो इसे एक्सपेंड करने का तरीका है, सबसे पहले i कैप लिखना है और डिटर्मिनेंट छोटा है डिटर्मिनेंट, डिलीटिंग दिस कॉलम एंड रो इन विच दिस i कैप इज प्रेजेंट, b गेट minus 7 7 minus 2 2 minus 7 7 minus 2 and 2 this. Now minus sign with j, second minus j कैप, और दोबारा जिस कॉलम में और जिस रो में ये j कैप प्रेजेंट है उसे डिलीट करना है, और बच गया 1 7 3 and 2, 1 7 3 and 2, एंड थर्ड में फिर प्लस k कैप, और जिस कॉलम में और जिस रो में ये प्रेजेंट है k कैप डिलीट करना है 1 minus 7 1 minus 7 3 and minus 2 this। अब बच्चों हमने इसको भी दोबारा एक्सपेंड करना है, और इसको एक्सपेंड करने के लिए ये सबसे पहले आएगा इज इक्वल टू आई कैप एज इट इज, -7 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सेम साइन, माइनस के 40, एंड -2 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद साइन को चेंज कर देना है, पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव साइन लेना है इस तरफ, इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई और इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई, तो साइन चेंज, -7 into 2 that is -14 and -2 into 7 that is -14, साइन चेंज करेंगे +14, माइनस के कैप माइनस जे कैप, और अब ये 1 into 2 that is 2 minus 21, 2 minus 21, and at last k cap into -2 and plus 21. This is k cap. It becomes minus k cap into -2 and plus 21. क्योंकि मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे -21 आएगा और जब साइन चेंज करेंगे तो +21. तो बच्चों ये वैल्यू आ गई, ए वेक्टर क्रॉस बी वेक्टर की वैल्यू आ गई इज इक्वल टू 0 into I cap, -19 and minus this become plus 19 into j cap, and it becomes plus 19 into k cap. This is the value of A vector cross B vector. Now A vector cross B vector magnitude. So therefore A vector cross B vector magnitude will be equal to 0 square plus 19 square plus 19 square square root. That will be is equal to 2 into 19 square square root. That is 90 outside and under 2. This is the value of A vector cross V vector magnitude. तो बच्चों इस तरीके से हम A vector cross V vector magnitude निकाल सकते हैं यदि A vector and V vector both are given to you. First of all, find the value of A vector cross V vector by this method, expanding along first row or any column. We get this 0i plus 19j plus 19k vector, and this is the value of A vector cross B vector, and taking its magnitude we will get the value of A vector cross B vector magnitude. That's all. अब बच्चों क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, find the unit vector perpendicular to both A vector plus B vector and A vector minus B vector, where A vector is 3i plus 2j plus 2k cap and B vector is equal to I plus 2j minus 2k cap. So first of all, let us find A vector plus B vector and A vector minus B vector. Solution: A vector plus B vector is equal to 3i cap plus 2 into j cap plus 2 into k cap plus I cap plus 2 into j cap minus 2 into k cap. That is equal to 3i plus I, that is 4i cap, 2j plus 2j, that is 4j cap, and 2k minus 2k, that is 0 cap. This is the value of A vector cross B vector. Now A vector minus B vector, that is equal to 3i plus 2 into j plus 2 into k cap minus I plus 2j minus 2 into k cap. That is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap minus I cap minus 2 into j cap plus 2 into k cap. Now it becomes 3i minus I cap, that is 2i cap, 2j minus 2j is 0 cap, j cap, and 2k plus 2k is 4k cap. This is the value of A vector minus B vector. Now, in order to find the unit vector perpendicular to both A vector plus B vector and A vector minus B vector, we have to find the cross product of this and this. इन दोनों का क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट निकालेंगे और फिर उस क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट के मैग्नीट्यूड से डिवाइड कर देंगे, अपने आप ही यूनिट वेक्टर आ जाएगा which will be perpendicular to both this and this. So first of all, let us find cross product of A vector plus B vector and A vector minus B vector. Now A vector plus B vector cross A vector minus B vector is equal to ij की first row 4 and 0 the component of A plus B vector, and 2, 0 and 4 these are the component of A vector minus B vector. Component of ij and k, coefficient of ij and k of A vector minus B vector. Third row. Now expanding, we get I into deleting this row, this column and this row, we get 4, 0, 0 and 4 minus j cap. Deleting this and this, we get 4, 2, 0 and 4 and minus plus k cap. Deleting third column and first row, we get 4, 2, 4 and 0. Now again expanding this, we get I cap 16 minus 0 minus j cap 16 minus 0 plus k cap 0 minus 8, and it becomes 16 into I cap minus 16 into j cap minus 8 into k cap. This is the value of A vector plus B vector cross A vector minus B vector. Now let us take its magnitude. Therefore, A vector plus B vector cross A vector minus B vector is equal to, it is equal to 16 square plus minus 16 square plus minus 8 square square root, and that is equal to 16 multiplied by 16, 256 plus 256 and plus 64 square root, and after adding we get 60 plus 1 11, 11 or 5 is 16 or 17, 1 and 3 and 5, 576 square root, and that is equal to 24. So this is the value of A vector plus B vector cross A vector minus B vector. Hence, unit vector which is perpendicular to both A vector plus B vector and A vector minus B vector is dividing this vector by 24. We get therefore the unit vector which is perpendicular to both A vector plus B vector and A vector minus B vector is n cap is equal to A vector plus B vector cross A vector minus B vector divided by the magnitude of this A vector plus B vector cross A vector minus B vector whole magnitude, and that is equal to 69 minus 16j minus 8k divided by 24, and dividing each term by 24 we get 16 upon 24 into I cap minus 16 upon 24 into j cap minus 8 upon 24 into k cap. Now cutting it, we get 4 4 is 16 and 8 2 is 16 and 8 3s are 24 into I minus 2 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 4. 1 upon 3 into k cap. This is the unit vector which is perpendicular to both a vector plus b vector and a vector minus b vector. Cutting it by a 8 and 8 and 8. 8 3 is 24, 8 2 is 16 and 8 3 is 24, 8 2 is 16 and 8 3 is 24. We get this, and this is the answer of this question. That's all. Now question number 4. Show that a vector minus b vector cross a vector plus b vector is equal to 2 times a vector cross b vector. तो बच्चों इसको प्रूव करने के लिए हमें पहले लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेके चलना है. सॉल्यूशन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू a वेक्टर माइनस b वेक्टर क्रॉस a वेक्टर प्लस b वेक्टर. So first of all, let us take the cross product of a vector with these two vectors. We get a vector cross a vector plus a vector cross b vector and minus b vector cross a vector and plus minus b vector cross b vector. सबसे पहले a वेक्टर से इन दोनों का क्रॉस लिया, फिर माइनस b वेक्टर से इन दोनों का क्रॉस लिया. Now a vector cross a vector is a vector magnitude into a vector magnitude into sine of the angle between them into n cap, where n cap is the unit vector which is perpendicular to a vector and a vector. So it becomes 0 because a vector cross a vector is equal to 0 vector. Angle between a vector and a vector is 0. Therefore, it becomes a 0 vector. And plus a vector cross b vector. And it becomes again a vector cross b vector because minus b vector cross a vector is equal to plus a vector cross b vector. And this becomes again 0 vector. These are both same, therefore angle between them is 0 degree, hence b vector cross b vector is 0 vector. Now it becomes 2 times a vector cross b vector, and that is equal to right hand side, or here we use the property that a vector cross b vector is equal to negative of b vector cross a vector, and this is the property we have used in this question, that minus b cross a is equal to a vector cross b vector, hence it becomes 2 times a vector cross b vector. That's all. Now question number 9. Find the area of the triangle ABC whose vertices are. First vertices is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5 and 1, 5 and 5. So in order to find the area of the triangle, let us find position vector of A, that is OA vector, and which is equal to 1 into I plus 1 into J plus 2 into K cap. And position vector of B vector, B point is equal to 2 into I plus 3 into J plus 5 into K. This is the procedure to find the position vector of the any point. And position vector of this point C will be equal to 1 into I plus 5 into J cap plus 5 into K cap. This is OC vector. Now, in order to find the area of the triangle, we have to find AB vector and AC vector. ये ट्राइंगल है, दिस ABC, let this is the rough sketch, this is A, this is B and this is C, or this is A, this is B and this is C. Then we have to find AB vector and AC vector and taking their cross product, we get the area of the triangle after taking the magnitude of AB vector cross AC vector. तो सबसे पहले बच्चों हमें AB वेक्टर निकालना है, फिर AC वेक्टर निकालना है, उसका क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट लेना है और उसका मैग्नीट्यूड निकाल देना है, एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल, और हाफ करके उसका एरिया आ जाएगा। ये फार्मूला होता है, एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल ABC इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ AB वेक्टर क्रॉस AC वेक्टर मैग्नीट्यूड। तो सबसे पहले हमने AB वेक्टर क्रॉस AC वेक्टर निकालना है। तो AB वेक्टर will be is equal to position vector of the end point minus position vector of the additional point, that is OA, by triangle law. Therefore OB vector is 2 into I plus 3 into J plus 5 into K cap minus 1 into I cap plus 1 into J cap plus 2 into K cap, that is equal to 2I minus 1I, that is I cap, 3J minus J, that is plus K2J cap, 5K minus 2K, that is plus 3 cap. This is AB vector. Now AC vector. AC vector will be is equal to position vector of the end point, that is AC vector, minus position vector of the initial point, that is OA vector, and position vector of the end point will be OC vector minus OA vector, and OC vector is 1 into I plus 5 into J plus 5 into K cap minus OA vector is 1 into I plus 1 into J plus 2 into K cap. Therefore, we get AC vector is equal to 1I minus 1I, that is 0I, and 5J minus 1J, that is plus 4J, and 5K minus 2K plus 3K. Okay. Now let us find AB vector cross AC vector. Now AB vector cross AC vector is equal to IJK, first row, 1, 2, 3 component of I, 2J and K, we get 1, 2, 3, and 0, 4 and 3 component of IJK of this AC vector, 0, 4 and 3. Now let us expand this determinant to get this cross product. I cap into deleting this column and this row, we get 2, 4, 3 and 3 minus J cap, and deleting this and this, we get 1, 0, 3 and 3 plus K cap, deleting this column and this, we get 1, 0, 2 and 4. After expanding, we get I cap into 6 minus 12 minus J cap, 3 minus 0 plus K cap, 4 minus 0. That is minus 6I minus 3J and plus 4K. This is the value of AB vector cross AC vector. Now area of the triangle ABC will be equal to half of the magnitude of AB vector cross AC vector. So now area of triangle ABC is equal to half of AB vector cross AC vector whole magnitude. That is equal to half of magnitude of this is minus 6 square plus minus 3 square and plus 4 square. That is further equal to 1 by 2 into 36 plus 9 plus 16 square root and which is equal to 61. 15 plus 61, that is 61 square root upon 2 square unit. This is the area of the triangle ABC whose coordinates are given to you. तो बच्चों इस तरीके से हमने एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल निकालना है यूजिंग द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू वेक्टर। सबसे पहले एबी वेक्टर निकालो, फिर एसी निकालो, फिर उनका क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट, उनका मैग्नीट्यूड और उसका हाफ करो और अपने आप ही एरिया ऑफ दैट ट्राइंगल आ जाएगा। यदि एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल कभी 0 हो जाए तो हम कहेंगे दीज पॉइंट्स आर कोलिनियर्स। तो ये भी मेथड है कोलिनियर प्रूव करने का। तो बच्चों ये हम एप्लीकेशंस कर रहे हैं दिस एक्सरसाइज 10.4 की। दैट्स ऑल।